At Unique Design Solutions, I'm with Rachel Moriarty, a good friend, and she's with Rachel Moriarty Interiors out of California. She's designed a collection for Unique Design Solutions for custom tile. It's one of the big trends we're seeing at the International Builder Show and at the Kitchen and Bath Show. So Rachel, talk with us about what you've done here with the tile.
Sure. So this was mainly a natural stone company, and they called me in to bring some vibrant color into their collection. So these mosaics, these penny mosaics, are glass and they're back painted. We can really back paint any color. They have a color lab and we can back paint any color, but what we're introducing today is called the Mosaic Creator. In here you can select your patterns, and then you can go in and you can select, you can see all these vibrant colors in here. You can go in and you can select the various colors in the patterns, and it will show, and you can also add the grout, and it will show what the square foot will look like. And if you want to see it in a repeat, you can do that. And then if you want to see it in a room.
I know you are all about color, so you've added a lot of color to them. Let's talk about this and what you've done.
Absolutely. So they wanted kind of a color way to start with. And so I got some of the most popular colors that I use in a lot of my projects. So some of these blues, I do a lot of modern coastal projects, but I also like to pop some colors. So I did add this kind of vibrant, reminds me of bougainvillea. Another color that's super on trend is this dark green, so we added that as well. And then you can blend these with any of these Carerra marbles and these natural stones, and they're absolutely beautiful. Or if you want something really fun and vibrant, like a youthful, a preschool or something like that, you can just blend the colors together. And
love it. So what you've done is you brought your design aesthetic here, but a designer can design their own tile and their own layout. Is that correct?
Absolutely. Absolutely.
So yes. Customization, total.
Total customization, made in the USA, available in 2 weeks.
And made in?
Phoenix.
Wow, how fun.
Yes, exactly.
You are always so much on the forefront of design and trends. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Alan.
Thank you. Rachel Moriarty from Rachel Moriarty Designs in California.